Hello everybody, I hope you're all well and good. Today I have got on the table two Sheffield steel William Rodgers, I think they're jackknives, classes of jackknives. You've got a main blade, clip point main blade, and a small pen blade coming out of both ends. It's a jackknife, isn't it? I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, one's buffalo on. I think the white one is a synthetic. Now let's get another look at them. Right, this one. It has, on the pen blade, it has an anchor, and I cut my way, and then William Rodgers, Sheffield, England, on the main blade. They're similar, these knives, but they're not the same. Obviously they're different in cover materials, but they're not, they're a little bit, the pins are a bit different, and but they will be, they're handmade, aren't they? So everyone's going to be a bit different. Nice patina and that good old carbon steel. If you can sharpen your own knives and you don't mind looking after them, carbon steel's the way to go, in my opinion. Yeah, look, patina down them back springs, but well fitted together. Good little knife. And this one, you can make your own mind up on that, but I think that's synthetic myself. I think this one has had a broken blade at some point. When I got it, the blade was a little bit rounded, the tip was a bit rounded, so I dropped it down a bit, made a bit of a point, but it's made quite a nice little blade actually. It has made quite a nice little blade. Then you've got your pen blade, which is smaller on this one as well. But this one's got more pins holding the covers in. You've got the 1, 2, 3, where that one's got the 2. So each one's a little bit different. Good little action. And again, well made. I'm assuming these are 1950s to 1960s, I'd say. Because some of the old Sheffield knives that are any older than that, I don't think they have the brass liners. Because they was used for, all brass was needed for during the war, obviously for making bullet shells and etc. But this one, when I got this one, I bought them online. I wasn't told, but it had a really bad blade play, it did. It's one thing I can't stand. I like a good solid knife, you know what I mean? And it had a really bad blade play, and I managed to tap the pin in and then sand it back off and polish it up, and I haven't done a bad job of it actually, and now it is solid, no movement whatsoever in that now. But the only thing it's done to it is it's lost its snap on this pen blade, because obviously it's tightened it up there, it's lost its snap. It snaps shut a little bit when this main blade's open, but just not when the main blade's shut. But yeah, they're both very sharp. Bit of Christmas paper here. Yeah. Nice and sharp. Nice and sharp. Good old carbon steel. Like anybody sort of spending a good deal of money on knives should know how to sharpen a knife, in my opinion. Because it yeah, keeps your knife going. Not only that, just you work out what steel's best for you and etc. Yeah, let me know what you think, boys, and let me know if you've got anything similar. The end of this, the 19th and the 20th of this month, January, I'm going to a local antique fair. So I'm going to try and get some footage going around there, and if I can find anything similar to them, I'll be happy. I paid £30 each for them, and that's a steal for 60 quid for the pair, I think. Two good little knives, Sheffield antique knives. So all the time you can pick them up like that, you're winning, ain't you? So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've got anything similar. And thank you very much. Give us a like, subscribe. God bless. See you all later.